Newsfirst at 9.
MP Mangala Samarveera arrived at the Panadura Magistrate Court today accompanied by a group of lawyers. Now MP Samarveera attended court today for hearings of the case pertaining to the alleged break-in and theft at his residence.
A youth from Ratnalana had been arrested in connection with this incident and was later released on bail. Representing the suspect in court on a prior occasion, President's Counsel Hemantha Varnakula submitted to court that the allegations levelled against his client by MP Mangala Samarveera's faction were false. He also submitted an affidavit from the suspect's wife to court. When the case was taken up before Panadura Magistrate Ruchira Valivatta today, lawyers representing MP Mangala Samarveera claimed that several factions have intervened in the case as part of a personal mudslinging campaign against their client. The magistrate informed the lawyers that this information was irrelevant to the case and ordered them to make relevant submissions. Representing the suspect in court today, President's Counsel Hemantha Varnakula said that MP Samarveera had used his client for unnatural sexual activities and had gotten him addicted to intoxicants. Lawyers representing MP Mangala Samarveera argued at this point that the case in question was pertaining to a break-in and theft and not unnatural sexual activities. President's Counsel Hemantha Varnakula noted that the suspect in this case has lodged a separate complaint with the police and that the police would take action on that complaint. The President's Counsel also pointed out that the items his client is alleged to have stolen from the residence were in fact gifts from Mangala Samarveera. Varnakula also submitted to court a mobile phone and camera that was supposedly gifted to his client by MP Mangala Samarveera. Meanwhile, the police informed court today that they have concluded investigations into the incident. After considering submissions made, Panadura Magistrate Ruchira Valivatta informed the police to file charges if their investigation is complete and postpone further hearings to the 24th of February.
මගේ ස්ථාවරය වූයේ මම දිවුරු ප්‍රකාශයක් මෙම අධිකරණ ඉදිරිපත් කළේ.
My stance was that I submitted an affidavit to court in order to show that there was no fault on the part of the defence or on my part. Mangala Samarveera recently stated very clearly to the Lankadipa newspaper that when this individual broke in, there were laptops and other valuable electrical equipment which he did not take. He said that this person had only taken a laptop that had been given to someone else. Now he has changed the story. He is saying that the laptop was missing 14 days ago, but my client's wife clearly noted that the laptop was brought about a month ago as per the wishes of Mangala Samarveera and that it was later pawned after informing him. Therefore, I can clearly say that the problem that has arisen around this laptop clearly shows an attempt to unnecessarily involve the defendant in a crime. That is why I submitted the affidavit.
මෙම අපරාධයට ගුණ කරන්නට එදුත් අතක් කළා. ඒ නිසා තමයි මම මේ දිවුරු ප්‍රකාශය ගොනු කළේ.
සුළු සිද්ධියක් මුල් කරගෙන සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ලක්ෂ 5කට අඩු
This person, who is supposedly a President's Counsel and never appears for minor incidents without charging more than 500,000 rupees, has suddenly run to Panadura with 6 lawyers to represent this individual. I think this is something that should go into the Guinness Book of World Records because I believe it is the first time that a President's Counsel has appeared for a minor criminal, or what we call a cat burglar in English. As I have always maintained, my personal life is not a secret. It was not a secret to my mother. It was not a secret to my family, and it was not a secret to my leader, my supporters, or the voters. It has never been a problem either. Various questions have been raised about me representing this person, but no one can question who I represent. I am a professional lawyer. I have the right to represent anyone.